Good evening, friends. This is Vararajan from TradersCafe, Bangalore. So we will start with our analysis on weekly basis. So yesterday was Monday, and this was last week closure. So we were not able to move above 20 moving average on a weekly basis. So that has to be that's the concern where beyond that only we can see a bull run. Basically not bull run. It's a basically uptrend. And now last uh, what we can expect is we can expect somewhere this level could be tested. Maybe we would be able to test this particular level on the chart. So, one minute, let me mark this level. So here we are getting some good support in the range of 22,600, and we could see a level here also. Probably currently we are in a very good basically good support range. Basically this is what we have taken for our analysis. So now let us get on to one day chart. One day chart, yesterday it is closed below 20 moving average and we have tested, the lower side. And uh, what I'm expecting is, probability is that we may test this level, then bounce back. We may test this range, which is 23 23,800 range. I can safely say that that levels may be tested. And if we go on the weekly chart, RSI is not at positive on the weekly time frame. So we cannot expect a very big move until otherwise this RSI turns upside and crosses this moving average. We might not see that big trend on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, it has become negative, and this as per RSI. So we can expect, we cannot expect a very big uptrend at this point in time because 20 is also blocking and 200 is also blocking. So first it broke on 200 moving average. Then yesterday it is closed below 20, and today it is testing this levels. Probably we might be seeing this level 23,800 or 700 levels, and thereafter we might see some sort of consolidation or the downtrend may continue. And last five sessions, it has been a downtrend only in the market. And today, it was very much, expected that the market would fall because of today's opening. Let me show that in 5 minute chart. So today's opening only, we have opened to open here this particular location. If you see, today's open and high was almost the same, which was 23,390. Precisely, once this is the indication open is equal to high, it is, most of us would be knowing that the trend would be, most of the time the trend would be on the downside. And no point in time today, the price have never crossed 20 EMA till this point. So that is the thing. So today, because of this, there was an indication that market was telling that I would be going down because of this open was is equal to high. And now let us see on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, there is a negative crossover here, which was started yesterday around 2 o'clock only, and yesterday it came below 200 moving average yesterday morning only. So the trend was clearly showing that I'm going to come down, and yesterday it has filled the gap also. Further, it has fallen down, and today 15 minutes the same. So in a nutshell, because of the events and what is happening around globally, it may not be very right to try to decode the market at this point in time because the sentiment is at this point in time the sentiment is not that great, and we might see a downtrend only at this point in time, or we might see a consolidation. So as I mentioned earlier, personal level, I would be not surprised if it is 22 800 range or 700 range, and we might be testing that levels, so that for the further any direction. And again, there is another one gap which is not filled for quite some time. So this is the gap. If you see here, which was formed in January 27th, this gap is not yet filled. I will just show in a figure. Okay. So this gap is not yet filled. This this levels, which is the levels are somewhere between 22 858. This levels. Which is 22 860 and 2242. See, this level is not yet filled. So what market might do is, probably we would test this particular level up to 780 or 700 range, and then we might do. But tomorrow, so this, as far as the technical things are indicators are showing, we are on not in a positive side at least this point in time. So let me not try to analyze on the 15 minutes time frame, and let us go with this 1 hour time frame so that to understand the broader picture, better in better way. And people should be very careful at this point in time. And even 1 hour, if this is today's open, it's a good high one. Even today's open, so it is very much clearly indicating that I'm going down today. So that is one. And Bank Nifty, let us try to understand the Bank Nifty part. So Bank Nifty currently, Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is also working the same direction, the same way how Nifty is, there is a very good correlation between this point in time. But Bank Nifty is little bit better than Nifty, so we can hope that Bank Nifty could support the market in next coming few sessions. So this is the on a weekly trend, and we might we might here this is also close to below 20 moving average at daily time frame, and the same with Bank Nifty also. It is it is also below in 1 hour time frame also it's below. And here if you observe this particular place, basically this one there is a negative, but negative crossover which is happening, which negative means 200 moving average has been cut from the the 20 moving average is cutting it from the top side. So it it indicates that we might further fall down, and there was a gap in Bank Nifty that is also got filled today, and there is a huge gap at this particular levels, which is 48 400 levels, and but at this point in time, because of the global events and looking at this particular structure of the market, I would not be surprised, we come down by another 1,000 points or so. So with this, or let us be little bit caution. And today it was a day for option buyers, in good session. So there are good number of people who have made some good sort of profit, who has understood the market, and who can take a proper decision on a timely basis, after doing certain analysis. And I'm sure that people today have made the puts, basically the good buyers would have made money. And this market, I am trying, at this point in time, I'm not very positive on this, our market at this point in time. So with this note, we will not try to decode beyond this levels, because again, it's not going to see. Here is also a negative crossover which has happened in Bank Nifty RSI. So this level could be easily tested. 49, tomorrow, of days it could break, and we might test this levels, 48, 400 levels, or other 48 levels could be also tested, maybe 1,000 points down. And Bank Nifty is also on a card. So this, let me conclude the session. Thanks for your support.